So as you can see, we are here in my wallet, okay, and it's a new wallet and empty balance. Okay, first we're gonna find transaction. Let's find a transaction. Must be zero under the 0.07 BTC. Okay, so let's see. Let's see. No, it's more than 0.07 BTC. Okay, we can't do that. We need to find transaction which is under the 0.07 BTC. Let's see. Yeah, that's the transaction which is 0.01144380. Okay, we're gonna confirm this transaction in the wallet. Okay, as you can see, this is the hash ID. We just only need a hash ID. We can copy from here, from 05F41, or we can copy from simply here. Okay, it's super simple, super easy. Okay, and his wallet, right click, then go to inspect, wait for a few seconds, and click to console. There's some warning you need to read. Okay, this browser which is intended for developers. If someone told you to copy paste something here, it is a scam and will give them access to money. So yeah, read this with carefully and understand that what it's saying. If someone asks you to copy paste something here, it may be a scam and it give them access to money, so maybe they will steal your money from your wallet. So make sure you make a new blockchain wallet with a zero balance, which has nothing. If you want to do new Windows, you can do a new Windows, install a new Windows, then you can do a script transaction. So this is my own code, so I don't need to worry about that, but you must need to worry about this. So yeah, you must need a new blockchain wallet, but you can also do on older version. Okay, so clear everything from here after you read that and agree, and then paste your script. Right click, select all, right click once again, copy your script, and then minimize it. Okay, and then paste your script here, press the enter button. As you can see, box pops up open here, and here's our unconfirmed transaction hash ID. Just copy and paste it over here. Click OK. Do you want to send transaction? Yes, I want to send this transaction. Click OK. Once again, click OK, and close everything from here, and just refresh the balance to see the magic. As you can see, our payment received successfully in the wallet. Okay, so this is the transaction, and let me show you the date. Today's date, it's Thursday, 12th March 2026. I'm scrolling up and down because this watermark they're showing on the screen, the number mark. Okay, and this is the channel. If you want to subscribe, you can subscribe for more related videos. It has 10k subs on YouTube. I own only this channel. Another all channels are fake. People took my videos, edited them, and upload these channels to scam innocent people. So that's why I put my number on the screen. You can see. So yeah, take care of yourself. Oh, sorry. I just wanted to let you show this transaction. Maybe it will confirm right now during the video, but it will take maximum 1 hour to complete. Let's see. Yeah, it's not confirmed. Okay, as you can see, it's not confirmed, but it will confirm very soon. It will take maximum 1 hour to complete. Okay, so take care of yourself. Goodbye. See you next time.